Hello everyone, it's that time of year again when I'm going to ask for your support in voting for my new product for a Motor Top 20 Tool Award. So my new product, if you haven't been following along, is the EV Detective Kit. And it's a two-piece kit. One actually tests the EV charger, while the other one tests the circuitry on the vehicle. So this kit was designed to go ahead and help you diagnose issues when you get an EV or a plug-in hybrid vehicle into your shop with the complaint of it will not charge. So the first box will help you diagnose if the charger itself is at fault, while the second box, which pretty much is 100% unique, nobody else has it, will actually plug into the vehicle, and then you plug the charger into the extra port over here, and it allows you to, in essence, have a breakout box for all the different circuitry, especially the control pilot and the proximity detection circuitry. Now, in order to figure out how to go ahead and vote for the Motor Top 20 Tool Award, you simply just go to motor.com, so www.motor.com, and when the little Top 20 Motor Tool Award icon comes up, so it cycles through four different splash screens, just hit the Vote Now button, and it will explain to you that you can vote once a day all throughout the rest of the month of August, so all the way till the end of August. And you see all my competition that I'm going up against. And this year is a little bit tricky because I have two products submitted for a Motor Top 20 Tool Award. You want to scroll down until you see the green EV Detective Kit. And once you just hover over it, you'll select View Now, and you'll scroll on up, and it'll be called the J1772 Detective Kit from ElectronJohnTraining. You'll just go ahead and click on the Vote Now button. Simply fill out your email address and your name, and it will make sure that you're an actual human being, and then you hit the Vote Now button. You can vote once a day throughout the month of August, and again, I appreciate your support. Thank you.